To achieve intentional performance, you must master the three gears of the human engine: cognition, emotion, and behavior. These three components form the foundation of how we operate both internally and externally. Cognition acts as your internal strategy room, emotion serves as your biological signaling mechanism, and behavior is the external manifestation of your habits and execution. In their default state, these gears often run in a reactive loop, where unchecked thoughts trigger destructive emotions, leading to messy behaviors. By mastering this triad, you can intercept the loop and shift from reactive living to intentional performance, setting the stage for a more purposeful and effective life. The cognition-emotion-behavior triad functions as a continuous feedback loop, where each component directly influences the others. Cognition involves the way you process information and the scripts you run in your mind. Emotion acts as your body's smoke detector, warning you of threats or highlighting needs. Behavior is the measurable output that the world sees, including your communication and habits. Understanding this interplay is crucial because it reveals how thoughts can trigger feelings, which then drive actions. By recognizing this loop, you gain the power to intervene and reshape your responses, moving towards intentional performance rather than being stuck in reactive patterns. One of the most powerful ways to master the triad is through the fact-check protocol, which helps you intercept negative narratives. When a negative thought arises, such as "I'm going to fail this presentation," the protocol guides you to isolate the specific thought, label the associated emotion, audit the evidence, and reframe the narrative for long-term benefit. This process engages your prefrontal cortex, overriding the reactive amygdala. By questioning whether your thoughts are facts or interpretations, you can choose narratives that serve your objectives, transforming anxiety into growth opportunities and fostering intentional performance. When faced with anxiety, instead of trying to simply calm down, practice cognitive reappraisal. The physiological symptoms of anxiety, such as a racing heart or sweaty palms, are almost identical to those of excitement. By telling yourself, "I am excited," or "my body is pumping adrenaline because I'm ready for this challenge," you redirect that energy and shift your mindset from threat to opportunity. This technique allows you to harness your body's natural responses and turn anxiety into a source of motivation, helping you perform intentionally even under pressure. To regulate your reactions in stressful moments, use the self-distancing technique. This involves third-person self-talk, where you refer to yourself by name instead of I. For example, asking, "What is the best move for your name right now?" creates psychological distance. Research shows this activates the prefrontal cortex's regulatory functions, allowing your thinking brain to override your reactive brain. By creating this distance, you gain greater control over your behavior, making it easier to respond intentionally rather than impulsively. Overthinking often leads to problems that don't actually exist and causes behavioral paralysis. To break this cycle, apply the action rule. Gather limited information, make a decision, and take immediate action. Confidence follows action, not the other way around. Taking even a small step reduces anxiety more effectively than endless analysis. This approach helps you move forward, prevents stagnation, and reinforces the habit of intentional performance, turning uncertainty into progress. Implementation intentions, or the if-then plan, automate your response to emotional triggers by deciding your behavior in advance. The formula is simple. If situation/trigger, then I will specific behavior. For example, if I feel my heart rate rise in a meeting, then I will view it as my body preparing for a challenge and speak for 60 seconds. By consistently applying these protocols, you offload the metabolic cost of decision-making from the prefrontal cortex to the basal ganglia, eventually turning high-performance responses into automatic neural habits. By mastering the cognition-emotion-behavior triad and applying these protocols, you move from reactive living to intentional performance. Each step, from fact-checking thoughts to reappraising anxiety, self-distancing, taking action, and setting implementation intentions, builds a foundation for automatic high-performance habits. This transformation not only improves your effectiveness but also enhances your well-being, allowing you to thrive in both personal and professional settings. Let's recap the core concepts. The cognition-emotion-behavior triad forms a continuous loop, where mastering each gear allows you to intercept reactive patterns and build intentional performance. The fact-check protocol helps you challenge negative thoughts, cognitive reappraisal turns anxiety into opportunity, self-distancing regulates behavior, the action rule breaks overthinking, and implementation intentions automate high-performance habits. Together, these strategies empower you to live purposefully and perform at your best.